Hello again. The English poet Joey John Maguire, coming out of my new bungalow in Grather in the Western Isles. Uh, Moved here a year ago, and I'm falling in love with this place. Anyway, I should have come here years ago. I'm playing catch up on my new computer. Had it a fortnight, struggling as always. I'm sure everybody out there knows what it's like when you change computers. Uh, this is the second last poem of the day. uh, that I've, of 4 or 5 that I've written over the past. It's called Nature's Meddlers. Nature's Meddlers. By nature, we are born killers. Some say hunter-gatherers. But unlike other hunters, we kill our own, for we are ruthless to the point of insanity. I can't think of a more rotten lot. Foxes spring to mind, but they don't know any better. Alas, we are the scourge of the earth, which makes it difficult to understand why we were given the ability to be its keeper and master. We pollute the soil with fertilizers drilled through the earth's core for oil. We mine and burn the coal we pilfer, cut the trees which are the lungs that allow the earth to breathe, spoil the seas with sewage, all kinds of pollutants of which the list is long, choke and kill the whales and fish, who, by the way, have done nothing wrong, and not content to fill our bellies with their succulent flesh, we overfish because we can, to bring. We kill and maim with guns and bombs, bombs more powerful than volcanoes, mutilate without a second thought, without a weeping tear, messy like we are creators, when really we only destroy. We are nature's meddlers, a nasty, dangerous, sorry lot, and there's no excuse, for we know we're doing wrong, and it's doubtful we'll ever change, because we are arrogant, greedy, and without moral conscience. I think the only way to stop us is to see us gone, leave the world alone in peace, to enjoy given Joey.